ahead, we have an industrial presentation and the agenda is EdTech in Action with Singhania Quest Plus. For this, I would like to call upon Bizat Shroff, Singhania Education Service Limited, pioneer in experiential learning and working since 25 years. Please.
Hello everyone. Good evening everyone. Myself Bezar, and we are here today to give you a little bit of brief about EdTech, apps and lovely experiential learning programs. But I find a little dullness, so we are all listening to people from a long time. So let's do one thing. Let's try and do an activity before we start, okay? So can we have our hands like this, everyone? Come on. Everyone hands like this. Take care you don't hurt the person in front or behind you when we do this activity. I'll be saying 1, 2 and 3. And when I say 1, 2 and 3, we clap. Okay? Game for it? Right. So 1, 2, 3. I could not hear this side. We need to go in tandem. Okay? Are we ready? One more time. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Front row is good. Second row very good. Third row I can't hear you all. Okay, you need to buck up. Ready? 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 1, 2. I didn't say 3. Okay, so this is what I'm going to tell you today. There's a lot of difference. You see what you do, right? So experiential learning and things are, you see what you do. So let me take you further on this. Singhania Quest Plus, a holistic learning platform, brings to you today a beautiful, innovative app which becomes like a vaccine today for schools, owners, principal, to give a holistic platform to their children. And we're all looking out for vaccines, right? So what does this app include? This app has everything to upskill kids, to bring up skills within the child, outside, in the school, and outside the confines of a classroom. So we'll give you both the modules, online, offline, hybrid. I heard a lot of discussion right now on how hybrid learning is going to affect us, what are the challenges we are going to be overcoming. So I'll talk on that as well. This app has a total content creation from K-12, the entire map to the curriculum, either of an ICSE, CBSE or an IGCSE school. We're also coming up with state board learning options. We have digital learning options where we have live sessions, we have live interactive sessions on experiential learning, recorded videos, a full lot of assessments, and the basic problem that we are all facing from the last so many years is analytics. How do we take critical reflections from the children and how do we justify that? Our mentors, Dr. Revati Srinivasan, she comes with a 35-year plus experience in the field of education. And we have a young and dynamic Chief Operating Officer, Brijesh sir, whom you just heard in the introductory moderate panel. He was there in the morning. You must have taken his views as well. So let me give you a little bit insight about what's happening in Singhania Educational Services. We have a lovely state-of-art video to show you this. We have a lovely, beautiful studio also where you can record all your lessons, and we can even create this studio for you into your own schools, where you can create this as a backup for your online education system. So can we have the video, please?
In the e-learning space, the future lies in the methodology of conceptual learning and impactful execution, clubbed with global curriculum and innovative pedagogy. Introducing Singhania Quest Plus, a holistic EdTech learning solutions platform by Singhania Education Services Limited that has been inspired and mentored by the prestigious Singhania schools.
Learning will be beyond physical spaces only. I see a learner-first approach with an individualized learning plan as per the ability and the skill of every child. Technology will be the driver and the navigator. So adaptation is the key word.
Quest Plus is the ideal learning platform for curricular, extracurricular and co-curricular concepts, offering a holistic experience that transcends beyond the boundaries of schools and country.
Singhania Quest Plus learning platform has been created with a vision to integrate technology with education supported by experienced teachers who have taught lakhs of students over the years, giving this platform its biggest differentiating factor.
Quest Plus offers courses for everyone, from K-12 ICSE academics, skill set development, career guidance and counseling, courses for homeschoolers, certification courses in special education and teacher training, to performing arts, travel and internships. Singhania Quest Plus has it all.
The future of learning lies in the hands of educators who will not just provide personalized learner experience, but also be data analysts, collaborators, planners, curriculum experts, synthesizers, problem solvers and researchers.
Some of the key features of Singhania Quest Plus are interactive and fun learning with games, activities and puzzles, designed as an in-app quests, making it a sought-after tool for schools across the country. Career counseling and pre-exam guidance.
We have woven the key features of the new educational policy, ensuring that learning is complete and meaningful for all students.
Let's reimagine learning with Singhania Quest Plus.
So I know you must be excited. What is there in this app for the kids? How can you take the benefit out of it? So let's go ahead and have a look how we have created this app. So we come with an experience of more than 50 years of education, working with more than 12,000 students of our own. We have our own 4 schools across Pan-India. Plus, we have 4 schools in Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra. So this is where we are spread out. Singhania group of schools come with a case study. So we did not want to launch this app all of a sudden today. We have started this using it from 2018. Tried and tested with more than 10,000 plus students with a success rate of more than 95% parents. It was a blessing in disguise in the pandemic when the children could not go for tuitions, they could not go for extracurricular coaching. So the entire burden of the parents spending so much money on tuitions and outdoor learning was entirely minimized with the help of this. So just imagine if your teacher is learning about history, teaching about history in the morning, your child, if he misses out one concept, if he misses out some concept, how is he supposed to ask the teacher again in the next class? Going to spend a lot of time. But what he can do is, with this app, the same content that you have given to him in the morning can be seen again and again until he is satisfied and until all his concepts are cleared. Now you may be having a question in your mind, how do we monitor that the child is actually watching this or no? So every teacher gets its own dashboard, and with that dashboard you would come to know every child in your class, right from day 1 where he is viewing 5% to day 365 when he has reached 95%. You can also lock and unlock the chapters which you want him to learn today, tomorrow and day after. So there is a personalized system given for each school. It's made into a white label app. So it does not look to a parent that it's Singhania Quest Plus coming to your school, but it looks to the parent as if it's your school own app going to them. So we would customize this app in such a way that it could work as your subordinate panel, so that in the morning when your teachers are teaching the online classes, online, hybrid, offline, whatever 3 modes we are using, this will be your backup system. It will save a lot of parents money who spend it on tuitions, classes and other expertise. So this is going to be a really good thing coming up. It's tried and tested. So let me give you the 4 main features now. The first feature, when we talk about academics, you have more than around 8,000 video lessons onto this. Each chapter is split into topics. Each topic has a subtopic, and there are different module videos of each subtopic as well. As soon as a child sees a video, he can take an assessment, and you can come to know what is the level the child has understood this at. Most of these videos are made in a form of gamified education. You know, gamification and artificial intelligence is taking up nowadays with the kids. They love to do this in the gamified format. They get rewards and point system also for it. And there is a beautiful teacher support system that we would provide. Along with this app, we would have professional people coming and doing teacher trainings for your schools as well. The second important thing that comes along with this app is coding and artificial classes. So you get something 26 sessions of coding classes along with this. So your child learns sequences, logic building. Your bigger children also talk about artificial intelligence, machine learning. We cover things like Scratch, Python, AI, CSL, Java. And in case you have all this as well, we can give you a support system for this. Experiential learning. This is a very, very beautiful and a very, very new concept which has just come into picture. So experiential learning was there during Gurukul time also, and it is still there right now. It's exactly how we implement it and how we want to bring the result out of the child. So every school has aspirations and stuff that we want to go to NASA, but not every school can make it. And if every school has also made it to NASA, not every child can make it because of cost, because of a lot of other constraints. But what if we bring NASA to your school? What if we bring ISRO to your school? What if we bring Santa Claus from Finland to your school? So this is what is the live virtual tours which we are talking about. And I'll give you more brief later on when we come to that slide. Career counseling. So we have the best of people on our panel to counsel your kids right from the age group of grade 6, grade 9 and up to grade 12. Career assessments are also part of it. So let me work how this app actually works. The entire content will be built by yourself, your teachers, and it will be put it on the app together. So you will get a curriculum app as per what you are teaching and not what the school next to you teaching. So you need to, that is very, very effective. The second important thing is you get 1,000 plus practice papers, 1,000 plus worksheets, 5,000 plus MCQs, beautiful engaging video lectures, live experiential learning programs. You get live experiential learning programs, seeing, doing and believing. And activity-based learning is part of this app. Coding, we are tied up with India's leading coding company, Times of India, who in turn teaches your kids how to do different types of apps, and even we have coding classes for grade 1 and 2 as well. 26 live sessions would be given on topics covering Scratch, Python, AI, machine learning. Experiential learning, we have a curriculum mapped from junior KG, grade 1 till grade 12, what can be done on different things. So today, you don't need to go to London Zoo. London Zoo can come to your school live. I'm not talking about YouTube video, I'm not talking about recorded video. The entire experiential learning process becomes live to you. You dream it and we can do it. So that's the idea. Career counseling, as I told you, we have sessions for grade 5 to 8 as well. We have psychometric tests for them. We have lovely career guidance counseling sessions every quarter, plus one career guidance session every year apart from the quarter sessions. Information on various teams. We have the best of the universities on our panel, and even children can apply for scholarship from them. These are some of our bigger partnerships which we have just engaged ourselves with. We have tied up with Telangana government to run the content around 1,500 classrooms in Telangana. From grade 6 to grade 10, our curriculum is running in their state board schools. We have tied up with more than 20 plus leading brands in the country today. We have an overseas presence where we are building apps for schools in Qatar as well. And also we are creating one-to-one B2B content for each school, installing studios into the schools who want to have their own content building. These are our international, national partners across India whom we work on the co-curricular front. So we have a physics lab in your school, you have a chemistry lab in your school. Have you ever thought of making a skills lab in your school? So let's start thinking on those ideas. Have you ever thought of making a nature lab in your school? So there are lots and lots of concepts which we can sit across and discuss. You can visit us on our booth after this and we can give you a whole bouquet of ideas and stuff like that. So our partners are Alliance Francaise, Bombay Stock Exchange. This can give your students from grade 9 to grade 12 an entire live sessions. They can give you online, offline, hybrid, all module sessions available by their people. This is one of the biggest stock exchange in the country. Children can learn about stocks, financial literacy. The concepts can get clear. This was first a closed door. You may not get entry to Bombay Stock Exchange so easily, but we have opened these doors for the children. We are tied up with India's only Russian Ballet Institute, Indian Academy of Russian Ballet, and the certificate comes from Russia itself. All these institutes, Goethe Institute, they are all certified by different embassies. German language, Shamak Davar for dance classes, if you are interested in that. Coding by MakeBot, which is a Times of India group of company, and Team Adventure which is your own company, everyone knows here who are sitting with us. We take you across all the different experiential learning programs as well. So before we leave this presentation, and I have only 41 seconds I can see there, so I want to tell you that we are here today to give you a free pilot demo of any of the programs from all the 4 things that you saw for your school whenever you want it. For that, you'll have to fill the form that is kept on your table. There's a Quest Plus form kept on your table. Please fill that, deposit it at our booth, and from there you can take your confirmation number of which program you want to conduct for your school, and we will do a pilot demo. We can talk to your management, talk to your parents, and however you want to take it in whichever front. The buffet is all open for you. You want to take it in bits and pieces, you want to take an entire package, we can come back to you on that. You can contact Mr. Sandeep Soni, and this is the email ID, or you can visit us at our stall outside. Thank you so much, principals. Thank you. I think the time is up, and I have completed my speech as well. Thank you so much. So anyone would like to say anything about Team Adventure, Quest Plus? If you have interacted with us, you can say also, or I think we already closing on time. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. So much. I think they'll have to switch this off.
Not a problem. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. I would like to call Pratima Sinha ma'am to come across and please honor sir with the momentum of appreciation.
Yes. So you can tell them that we are working with your school as well. Yes. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yes, we have it. Cordless mic.
I just realized that, we take the help of Team Adventure for organizing lot of our programs. And they do it very professionally. In fact, we can all record and train our students and take it forward. But when Team Adventure comes in, it becomes a very, very different, it gives a very different life to it and meaning to it. So I just realized that, you have that as part of it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am.